How to pay the Shopee via Ggives. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pay the Shopee via Ggives. First, open the Shopee application on your mobile device and log in to your account. Browse the homepage and select the product you want to purchase. Once you've selected the product, tap on your product and you will see its complete color and other details. Choose the variation and quantity of the product you want. Then, click on the Buy Now button. You'll be taken to the checkout option, where you will need to fill in your name, complete delivery address, and other details. Next, scroll down and tap on the Payment Method option. If you've already connected Ggives to Shopify, you will see it as a payment method here. Select Ggives and Continue. Your order will be completed, and now you can pay with Ggives on Shopee. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.